Welcome back to my channel. Car insurance in Islam has been a topic of debate and discussion among scholars and adherents of the faith for many years. The permissibility of car insurance in Islam depends on various factors, including the type of insurance, the principles of Islamic finance, and the interpretation of Islamic jurisprudence by different scholars and schools of thought. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the key arguments and perspectives surrounding car insurance in Islam, providing a balanced understanding of the issue. 1. Concept of insurance in Islam.
To understand the permissibility of car insurance in Islam,
it is essential to grasp the broader concept of insurance within the Islamic framework. Insurance, in its basic form, is a means of financial protection against unforeseen risks and losses. Islam places a strong emphasis on the principle of takaful, which is a form of mutual assistance and solidarity. The idea behind takaful aligns with the concept of helping one another during times of adversity, which is highly encouraged in Islam. 2. Islamic finance principles. Islamic finance is based on Sharia principles, which prohibit the payment or receipt of interest, riba, and promote risk sharing and ethical investment. Car insurance, like other forms of insurance, often involves the payment of premiums, which may be seen as resembling riba. This is a critical point of contention among scholars. 3. Types of car insurance. Car insurance can take various forms, including comprehensive, third-party liability, and collision coverage. Understanding the nature of these insurance types is crucial in assessing their compatibility with Islamic principles. 4. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive car insurance typically covers a wide range of risks, including theft, accidents, and damage to the insured vehicle. Some scholars argue that comprehensive insurance may be permissible in Islam because it aligns with the principle of risk sharing. Policyholders collectively contribute to a fund that covers the costs of accidents and losses. 5. Third-party liability insurance. Third-party liability insurance primarily covers damage or injury caused by the insured's vehicle to third parties. This type of insurance can be viewed as a means of fulfilling the Islamic principle of financial responsibility in the event of harm to others. Thus, some scholars consider it permissible. 6. Collision coverage. Collision coverage, which pays for damages to the insured vehicle in the event of an accident, is where the debate becomes more complex. Some argue that it resembles a form of riba due to the premium payments and potential interest-like elements, while others contend that it is a form of risk sharing. 7. Scholarly perspectives. Islamic jurisprudence is diverse, with various schools of thought and interpretations. Some Islamic scholars and financial experts have issued fatwas, religious rulings, declaring car insurance permissible under certain conditions, while others have prohibited it outright. The differences in Opinions often hinge on the interpretation of riba and the degree of risk sharing in the insurance arrangement. 8. Legal requirements and social responsibility. In some countries, car insurance is legally mandatory to protect the interests of all road users. In such cases, adherents of Islam may feel compelled to obtain insurance to comply with the law and fulfill their social responsibilities. 9. Ethical considerations. Beyond the legal and religious aspects, some Muslims may choose to purchase car insurance as a form of ethical responsibility to ensure that they are financially capable of compensating others for harm or damage caused by their vehicles. 10. Conclusion. In conclusion, the permissibility of car insurance in Islam remains a complex and debated issue. While some argue that certain forms of car insurance align with Islamic principles of mutual assistance and risk sharing, others contend that elements of riba may render it impermissible. Ultimately, the decision regarding car insurance in Islam may vary from individual to individual, depending on their interpretation of Sharia, the type of insurance, and their personal circumstances. It is advisable for Muslims who have concerns about the permissibility of car insurance to consult with knowledgeable Islamic scholars or seek guidance from reputable Islamic financial institutions that offer TACAFL-compliant insurance products. Additionally, efforts to develop more transparent and Sharia-compliant insurance options continue to evolve within the Islamic finance industry, providing alternatives for those who wish to align their insurance choices more closely with their religious beliefs. Thanks for watching.